Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into another product from Tekton, another one being made in the USA, another recent product. So today we're going to be talking about their hammers, the new USA made Tekton hammers. Tekton has been doing a lot of great things in the last 5 years with bringing us better tools, re-engineering and redesigning some of their older tools, improving upon them, as well as bringing more tools back to the United States. They are finding these USA made tool companies and they're having them provide them with more Tekton tool lineup of tools to provide us. So not only is that great for us, the consumer or the customer, because it is providing us with great USA made tools, as well as a great price and that Tekton warranty that is phenomenal, that really you can't compare it to many others out there. Tekton keeps it as simple and easy as possible. So that's a great thing about Tekton on all their products. But not only is it making it better for us and providing us with more tools made in the USA, but it's also helping those other companies that make these USA made tools. I think it's great. I hope they continue to improve upon all of their tools and continue to bring us more USA made tools. I think Tekton's a great company and I hope you guys think so as well. If not, go ahead, try out their tools. Let me know your guys' thoughts. But today we're gonna be looking at a couple of their new USA made hammers, and I'll be going over the specs, some price, and comparing them to some of the other hammers that I have, and I hope you guys enjoy. But as a thank you, I am gonna be doing a giveaway for you guys. It's all thanks to you because we have reached 25,000 subscribers and I can't thank you guys enough. It means the world to me. Never thought my YouTube channel would grow to this. I originally just started wanting to help people get a first look at tools, work on their 3rd gen Camaros, stuff like that. And I've had so much fun with it and so much fun interacting with you guys that I can't thank you guys enough because we wouldn't be here without you. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway of these two styles of hammers from Tekton. So I'll be going over them and then we'll get into the actual giveaway rules or whatever you wanna call it. But I really hope you guys enjoy. And I hope the winner really enjoys these tools as well. So let's get into it and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts on Tekton tools and this giveaway. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. Okay, YouTubers, so here are the two new Tekton hammers. They have a wide lineup of each style in various different sizes, and you can even buy them in a bundle of all their sizes of both the dead blow and the ball peen dead blow. So we're gonna be taking a closer look at these, kind of going over them, the prices, all of that, and then we'll get into the giveaway. So here's probably one of the most popular hammers today on the market. A lot of people love these, the way they operate and the design of them. And then the dead blow is always handy to have. And who doesn't want their products made in the USA for about the same cost as you would get it not made in the USA? So these are the Tekton 39 ounce dead blow and the 36 ounce ball peen dead blow. And basically, ball peen dead blow basically takes your dead blow with your shot in it and your ball peen hammer, and they make it one. And what this does is, when normally using a ball peen, when you make contact with whatever you're striking, you get a lot of rebound on it. So you have to be pretty good at controlling your hits. Well, when you add that dead blow action to the inside of your ball peen, it reduces that rebound and creates a much smoother strike and much more accurate strike. So that's the great thing about this combination of hammer. You have that steel shot inside in the center section. I'll be posting up pictures of the design of these hammers and how they operate and all of that, sharing that information with you guys, as well as the dead blow. The dead blow is the exact same way, but with non-marring surfaces, so you don't damage anything. It's for a little bit softer materials, so you don't go damaging anything. So that's really nice. So as far as the dead blow, this is the 39 ounce. You can see the part number, Hotel Delta Bravo 339. And this hammer itself runs $35. It is available in multiple different sizes, all the way from 13 up to 53. So you have 13, 21, 26, 39, 45, and 53. And the price ranges $20 to $50. And it goes in increments of $5. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then the skip between 45 ounce and 53 ounce it goes from $40 to $50. So all very, very well priced. And if you buy the entire set of these, it is $175 for all of them. So that saves you $25 if you bought all of them individually. So that is a nice deal right there. So like I said, it's got a steel shot inside of it, and I'll have pictures up, to reduce the rebound. It avoids marring surfaces, and this is made from a hot cast polyurethane. So it is very durable. You have this knurled handle at the bottom, which I really like. And then here you can kind of just see the quality of the hammer and see where they have the two halves connected. Overall, very nice hammers. So this is the one that I have from Capri. Capri also has the same thing going on, but this is before they had any USA made hammers. This is not made in the USA, but obviously the same design, same concept. There's a lot of them out there, but this is also $50. This is $50. If I'm going to pay $50 for a hammer, why wouldn't I get the one made in the USA? Just saying. Plus, I really like the handle design on the Tekton a lot better than the Capri one. I love this hammer. It's been great, but the grip, it's really not a grip. Maybe for up and down, but it still spins your hand really easily. Overall, a good hammer, but if I'm spending the $50, I'm going USA made. No questions asked. It is also a little bit longer, just by probably about ½ inch to an inch. But getting into some of the details on the ball peen dead below, it is the 36 ounce Hotel Delta Bravo 500 36. Yes, I left a pause in there because it's not 536. So they have this available in 26, 36, 47, and 50. Prices being 45, 50, 60, and 70. You can get them all in a set for $200. That also, once again, saves you $25 over buying them all individually. Once again, it has that steel shot inside, and it is good for, using with punches, chisels, sheet metal, and much, much more. I have really enjoyed this style of hammer. Really good quality, polished steel here. And you'll get more of the details in the pictures that I'm posting up of this. So it's getting made in the USA. It's also the red that they used on this is much brighter than the Capri. The Capri is almost like an orange. So I really like the bright red. It's really easy to see. Other than that, this and this is part of a hammer set that I bought a long time ago, a grip set, and I want to say it was like $80 for a 5-piece set. Nothing fancy, just your standard hammer set. But after using a hammer of this style, this is almost my go-to anytime I need to use a hammer. So these are fantastic products, and I'll be doing more in-depth videos on these as well. If you guys want to know any more information on the Tekton USA made hammers, go ahead, ask it down in the comments. Alrighty, so now getting into the actual enrollment of the giveaway for us hitting 25,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much again. I can't thank you guys enough. We have came a long ways, and I really enjoy making content for you guys. So if you guys ever have any video suggestions, please feel free to drop those in the comments. I will have a lot of these tools linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys are ever interested in any of the tools in my videos, it's there for you, as well as the Tekton website if you want to check out all of their other products. But for this giveaway, we're going to keep it as simple as possible. It will be available for those inside the United States as well as Canada. And it will be for the 36 and 39 ounce hammer. So keeping this as simple as possible, all you have to do is hit that thumbs up on this video. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, you must be subscribed. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's very easy, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. If there's ever anything you guys would like to see improved upon in the content, please feel free to drop it down below. I really appreciate your guys' input. Your input means a lot to me, and that's how we're gonna grow as a channel. And that's really it. All you have to do is like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out the Tekton website. Once again, also comment down below whether you say, in for the giveaway. It doesn't matter, as long as you're subscribed and you like the video. Comment down below whether you enjoy Tekton tools, whether you're thinking about purchasing Tekton tools to try them out, or if you whether you've used them or you're thinking about using them, share your thoughts down below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, whether you're getting in for the giveaway or just commenting. Maybe I forgot to mention something about the hammers. Other than that, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And best of luck to the winner.